Welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at the backseat controls of the Santa Fe Calligraphy, my favorite Hyundai. All right, guys, so another convenient feature of the Santa Fe Calligraphy is you have access to the controls for the seats in the second row captain chairs. And to access it, you just scroll to the left, select seats. You have power to your warmer for the left seat and right seat. There's 3 different levels. You can just turn that on. If you have a kiddo who doesn't have the ability to do that for themselves, you or your passenger can turn that on for them. Moving forward, you have second row seat control. You can tilt the seat back. You can tilt it forward. Same with the right and the left seat. Tilt. And you can tilt the seat up and down as well. Up and down here, up and down here. And then lastly, you can actually fold the seats all the way completely down. Simple as that. How convenient. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to any of us here at Riverside Hyundai. We're here to help.